Good morning, guys and girls. How's it going? We're only in Wycombe again, aren't we? What we come here for, Andrea? What we come here for? Christmas presents and Christmas lights. No worries. They changed it up.
I'm just trying to work out if it's like a certain way.
Right, where to? Front up.
Yeah.
Straight up, no messing. So here we are again, good old-fashioned High Wycombe with Christmas shopping in its full effect. Andrew's disappointed because Primark didn't have some outdoor lights. Apart from that, yeah man, we're nailing presents. I'm doing better this time, I think. I've only got a few more to get, but hey. See where the day takes us, shall we? See what weird and wacky things we can get up to. Weather's been gnarly this morning though. Mega Drive games? What? This shop is insane. This is going to have to be revisited at a later date, man. 24/7 games, High Wycombe. Heavy. So we got home, we've done Christmas shopping, I'm nearly finished, which is kind of a nice spot. I've got a few more little bits to get, but it's all cool, no drama. Come home to an awesome little delivery that I was expecting Monday, but it turned up on Saturday, so pretty stoked over that. Beat Up Heritage, baby. Got a couple of little prize parts, go fit on the car, because the number plate lights were out, both of them. Not a good look, people. And after the surf trip, when I got back, I realised the hangers on my parcel shelf were dead. They perished. They've done all right, 30 years or something, so they've done me proud. Yeah, it's crazy. But let's get these bits fitted, because look, check these out, man. Can you even see the state of those? Yeah, they're supposed to look like that. All crispy clean, so let's do this. Screws in there, I've definitely seen better days. Kind of sucked because I haven't got anything here. I'd have to go to my mum's to get some freshies to put in there, but I don't even know if one of these is going to come out because it's in bad shape, so wish me luck. I seriously don't even know how I managed to get those screws out. I'm gonna have to put them back in though, which sucks, but check those out, man. Definitely seen better days. Nice. I think we've done that in good time. Those clouds don't look good. That's that done. So chores are done. A little bit of catch up on the cars done. Shopping's done. Everything's good, and we thought we were moving forward. Now we've just had an announcement on like TV that there's going to be another announcement by our Prime Minister, and he's stepping up the tier system. So I barely just got my head around this tier system and which one we were in anyway. And they're saying maybe, admittedly, you're quite right in saying that, but
It's only like rumours kind of thing.
Long distances. Then capacity was scaled up, and it appeared to be on top of the situation. But what the experts say, including Patrick Vallance, the government's chief scientific informer.
so yeah, this could suck, man. All I wanted to do was get to the coast January 1st, jump in the sea and start the year all over again with a good vibe. This could really get in the way of it. I'm claiming even if this gets in the way, I can still get in my car because that's my bubble. I can drive to the sea, and as long as I don't see anybody else, then I can just jump in the sea, get out of the sea, get back in my car and come home in my bubble. Is that right? Yeah, Andrew agrees with me. It's a good vibe.
Sorry, I didn't know you were talking to me. I thought you were
It seems that the spread is now being driven by the new variant of the virus, which we spoke about earlier this week and learned about earlier this week. Our advisory group on new and emerging respiratory virus threats, NerveTag, has spent the last few days analysing...
NerveTag sounds pretty cool. Big question is, will the Grom be legally able to get to the coast and jump in the sea for New Year's Day? And in a minute, that ain't looking good, people. There's going to be another announcement on the 30th of December, and that could be the telltale. I was just discussing it with Andrea, and in all fairness, if it stays the way that it is, I sure as hell won't be getting to the coast because I'm in tier 4 and I'm not allowed to travel out of my local area. Be all and end all is, I'm just glad that I got a bottle of salt water in the shed that I brought back from Bournemouth this year, so it's not looking good. On that note, I'm going to sign off because I think me and Andrea might even just go and do a quick dash to get Yorkshires and some random stuff. Well, I don't know, man. It might even be worth doing. And yeah, I hope you're safe and well. I hope you're feeling festive, even if you are in the UK and you've heard that news. It's a bit of a bummer, but hey, man, Christmas don't come with all of the frills and the excerpts. You know, you just got to make it what it is. So I'm happy I've got an Andrea that I'll spend it with, and what more can you ask for? Guys, girls, thanks for tuning in. Stay safe, stay focused, stay positive. I'll be back tomorrow, 6 PM GMT, YouTube. Have a great evening, people.